That slice of toast you had this morning may be working against you before you've even finished your coffee. Most breakfast staples, bread, cereal, even some healthy granolas, are loaded with hidden sodium you never see on the front of the box. Here's the good news. There are 7 breakfasts you can make in 5 minutes or less that fit right into a heart-healthy pattern. And number 4 uses a specific, vibrant ingredient that research has linked to healthier blood vessel function, something almost nobody eats at breakfast. Let's get into it. First up, the overnight walnut berry oat reset. You don't even turn on the stove for this one. In a small jar, mix half a cup of rolled oats with 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk or low-fat milk. Top it with a 1/4 cup of wild blueberries and a tablespoon of crushed walnuts. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and it's ready when you wake up. Here's why this works so well for your cardiovascular system. Rolled oats are packed with a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which research suggests forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract that can support healthy cholesterol levels. The walnuts bring alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that's associated with healthy blood vessel function. It's sweet, it's filling, and it's completely salt-free. Second, potassium-boosted avocado toast. You might think bread is entirely off limits when you're watching your numbers, but the move is choosing a low-sodium or traditionally fermented sourdough rather than cutting bread out altogether. Mash half a ripe avocado onto your toasted slice. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, top it with a tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds and a sprinkle of hemp hearts. Most people automatically think of bananas when they think of potassium, but avocado actually packs more potassium per serving. Potassium is one of the key minerals the DASH diet relies on because it helps your body manage sodium levels, directly counteracting some of the tightening effect that excess salt can have on your blood vessels. The healthy fats in avocado also help keep you full until lunch, so you're less tempted to grab a salty snack mid-morning. But there's something about that bread choice that surprises most people, and it's bigger than you'd think. Before breakfast number 3, let's talk about a problem hiding in plain sight in most kitchens. A lot of people trying to eat well grab standard store-bought whole wheat bread, thinking they're making the healthy choice. Here's the catch. 2 slices of commercial bread can run anywhere from roughly 13 to 15% of a heart-healthy daily sodium target, and that's before you've added a single topping. Manufacturers add salt for shelf life and texture, even in loaves labeled whole grain or healthy. The fix isn't avoiding bread, it's reading the label. Look for options under 140 milligrams of sodium per slice. Okay, 2 breakfasts in, let's keep moving because number 4 is the one I promised you at the very start. Third, the Magnesium-Rich pumpkin seed yogurt Parfait. Take 3/4 of a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and layer it with 2 tablespoons of raw pumpkin seeds and a handful of sliced strawberries. Greek yogurt gives you dietary calcium, which plays a role in how your blood vessels constrict and relax. Pair that with the magnesium in pumpkin seeds, and you're giving your body 2 minerals that research suggests work together to support healthy circulation. It tastes like dessert, but it's doing real work for your heart. We're almost to the one I teased at the start. Stay with me. This is the one. Breakfast number 4 is the Ruby Beet Smoothie, and beets are the ingredient I mentioned at the very beginning. In your blender, combine 1 cup of water or coconut water, half a cup of frozen strawberries, half a cup of baby spinach, and 1 teaspoon of organic beetroot powder. That vibrant red color comes from dietary nitrates, which your body can convert into a compound called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as a signal that tells the smooth muscle around your arteries to relax. And when blood vessels relax, blood can flow more freely, which research suggests may help support healthy pressure levels. It's not a supplement, it's not flashy. It's just a vegetable almost nobody thinks to put in a smoothie. One quick safety note. If you're on a blood thinner like warfarin, the goal isn't to avoid leafy greens like spinach, it's to keep your daily intake roughly consistent rather than making big sudden changes, since spinach is high in vitamin K. If you're adjusting your diet in a bigger way, it's worth mentioning to your doctor first. Now, there's a simple trick that helps your body absorb more of what we've covered so far, and it's coming up in just a minute. If you want something warm and savory instead, Breakfast number 5 is the Savory Spinach and Tofu Scramble. Crumble half a block of firm tofu into a warm skillet with a touch of olive oil. Season with half a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of garlic powder, and a pinch of black pepper. No salt needed. Toss in a handful of fresh baby spinach at the end, just until it wilts. Tofu is a naturally low-sodium source of plant protein. As for the turmeric, it contains curcumin, and some research suggests curcumin may offer a small benefit for blood vessel function, though most of that evidence comes from concentrated supplement studies rather than the amount you'd get from a sprinkle in a scramble. Either way, swapping salt for spices like garlic powder and turmeric is a simple habit that avoids unnecessary sodium. Here's a tip registered dietitians often mention: pairing fiber-rich, plant-based foods with a small amount of healthy fat, like the avocado, walnuts, or even the olive oil in that scramble, can help your body absorb more of certain nutrients we've talked about today. It's a small adjustment, but it's the difference between a breakfast that looks healthy and one that actually works harder for you. 2 breakfasts left, and one of them might satisfy a sweet tooth you didn't expect to indulge today. Breakfast number 6 handles a morning sweet tooth while still working in your favor: the overnight Chia cocoa pudding. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of unsweetened almond or macadamia milk, and 1 tablespoon of pure unsweetened cocoa powder. Let it sit in the fridge overnight to thicken. Pure cocoa is high in flavonols, plant compounds that research suggests may help support the same nitric oxide pathway we talked about with the beets, supporting flexible, healthy blood vessels over time. The chia seeds add a generous dose of soluble fiber on top of that. It tastes like chocolate pudding, and that's exactly the point. Heart-healthy habits stick better when they don't feel like a sacrifice. Finally, breakfast number 7, the flax-infused nut butter banana wrap. Take a low-sodium, sprouted grain wrap, spread a tablespoon of raw, unsalted almond butter across it, sprinkle on a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and roll a small banana inside. This one circles back to that absorption tip from a minute ago. Some nutrients found in nuts and seeds need a little dietary fat alongside them to be used efficiently by your body, and that's exactly what's happening here. The banana's potassium, paired with the healthy fat in almond butter and ground flaxseed, gives your body what it needs to put those nutrients to work. It takes under 2 minutes to roll up, and it travels well if breakfast happens in the car. That's all 7, and not one of them needed more than 5 minutes or a stove that actually had to heat up for long. Fueling your body well before 9 a.m. is one of the simplest things you can do to support a heart-healthy routine. But here's what most people miss. Breakfast is only one piece. Real, lasting change comes from knowing exactly what to eat at every meal, every day, without having to think about it. So if you want to take everything we covered today and turn it into a full system, I've pulled together 5 resources in the description below and in the pinned comment. There's something for every stage. Whether you want a simple cheat sheet to stick on your fridge, a full week of portioned meals to get started, or a complete 30-day reset to build the habit all the way through. Links are waiting for you right below this video. Before you go, which of these 7 breakfasts are you making first tomorrow morning? Drop the number in the comments. I read every single one.